Today we'll be looking at ionic bonding, and this is going to be part 1 of ionic bonding. Oh, that's a trash one, to be fair. Put a straight line, 1, there we go. So, if you guys don't know ionic bonding takes place when a metal and a non-metal react. That's the key point. Ionic bonding takes place when a metal and a non-metal react. And that's the first point you guys need to know. So we'll be looking at the ionic bonding between lithium and fluorine. So ionic bonding between lithium and fluorine. So, as you guys know, ionic bonding takes place when a metal and a non-metal react. So, say example, group 1 element reacts with a group 7 element. Now, it's literally what we're looking at right now, to be fair. Because lithium is a group 1, fluorine is a group 7. And group 1 are alkaline. Alkaline metals have 1 electrons in the outer shell, whereas group 7 have 7 electrons in the outer shell. That's what they're called, group 1 and group 7. So when we react lithium and fluorine, the lithium atom actually loses its outer electron, just so it can have a full outer electron. So if you don't understand what I mean, basically we have a lithium atom here. Lithium, oh wow, so I can still do that. So it's got one electron in its outer shell, and then we have fluorine atom. So 1, 2, and fluorine atom has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 because it's a halogen, and halogens are group 7, and group 7 elements have 7 electrons in the outer shell. So therefore, fluorine has 7. And when they react, so this is a metal, as we can know. Fluorine is a non-metal. So here's what will happen. The lithium element, or lithium atom should I say, loses its electron from its outer shell, and the fluorine gains the outer electron from the lithium. So fluorine will have a full outer electron, and lithium will have a full outer electron. And they want to have a full outer electron, so the atoms become stable. So right now they're unstable because they don't have a full outer electron shell. So they react so they can have a full outer electron shell. So here's what will happen. This will be the lithium atom after. Lithium will only have 2, whereas fluorine will now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This was its original, and now it's actually gained from lithium. So now there, that was the lithium electron from here, and it's actually gone into here. So now both of them have a full outer electron, so they both are stable. Both fluorine and lithium atoms, they now have full outer electron, as I said, but because lithium lost an electron, it becomes a positively charged ion. Because lithium lost its outer electron, it becomes a +1 ion. That's a key term that we have to remember. Can I highlight? I don't know if I can highlight. No, I don't think I can. That's right. Oh, I can. Yo, sick. So because lithium lost outer electron, it becomes a +1 ion. So here's the key facts you have to remember from what we talked about so far. Ionic bonding takes place when a metal and a non-metal react. Ionic bonding between lithium and fluorine, this is the example as we could see. Lithium was the metal and fluorine was the non-metal. Oh wow. And then, as you can see here, lithium has 1 outer electron in its outer shell. Fluorine has 7 outer electrons in its outer shell. So, they both react because they both want a full outer electron shell. A full outer electron shell, so they become stable. And now, once the atoms react, they don't stay an atom, they become an ion. Oh, I thought to also write because fluorine also gained an electron from the lithium, it actually becomes a negatively charged ion. So this one is a +1 ion because since it lost the electron, and electron is negatively charged, as we can see, negatively charged because of that, and because we lost the negative charge, it becomes a +1 ion, and because the fluorine gains the electron, which is negatively charged, it becomes a -1 ion. So because fluorine, oh goodness me, what am I doing today? Fluorine gains its outer electron from lithium. It becomes a -1 ion because it gains an electron. And well, we just covered a lot, to be fair, as ionic bonding. So when it's in general, so if a group 1 element reacts with a group 7 element, every single time the group 1 element will become a +1 ion. Every single time the group 7 element will become a negative. So group 1 will become a positively charged ion because it already has an extra electron in its outer shell and needs it to be lost. And group 7 will have a -1 ion. So that's it.